see today multiplication of both the numbers that are less than the same base. Let us see the first example, 99 multiplied by 98. Here these two numbers are below 100. So 99, how much it is below 100? That is 1. So below value we are noting with minus. So write on minus 1. 98, how much it is below 100? That is minus 2. So first step, cross subtraction. 99 minus 2, 97, or 98 minus 1 is also 97. So anyway, if we done subtraction, we get the same answer. So 97 is the first part of the answer. Now second step, vertically multiply these two values. Minus 1 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2. So write down 0, 2. So 99 into 98 answer is 9702. Let us see the next example here. So 89 multiplied by 88. So 89, how much it is below 100? That is minus 11. And 88, how much it is below 100? That is minus 12. So first step, cross subtraction. 89 minus 12. So answer is 77, or 88 minus 11. Then also we get the answer same, that is 77. That is first part of the answer. Now multiply 11 into 12. So let's find out 11 12s are how much. So here excess value 1 and here excess value is 2. So cross addition here, 12 plus 1, 13, or 11 plus 2 is 13. Now multiply these two values, 1 2s are 2. So 11 12s our answer is 132. Here only 2 digits are allowed. Write down 32 and 1 carry below. Now the answer is 7832. So 89 into 88 answer is 7832. See the next example, 988 multiplied by 999. So these two numbers are below 1000. So here our base number is 1000. So let us check how to find it. So first step, what we have to do is 988, how much it is below 1000? That means we have to subtract 988 from 1000. So to subtract that, what we have to do, first number you subtract from 9. Next also subtract from 9 and the last digit from 10. That means all from 9 and last digit from 10 we have to subtract. So write down 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 8, 1, 10 minus 8 is 2. So 988, how much it is below 1000? That is 12. Next 999, how much it is below 1000? That means subtract them. 1000 minus 999 is 1. So now what we have to do is cross subtraction. 988 minus 1, 987, or 999 minus 12 is 987. That is the first part of the answer. Now vertically multiply these two numbers, minus 12 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 12 ones are 12. Here we are multiplying 3-digit number. Here 3 digits are allowed. So add a 0 before and write on 12. So this is the answer. Now let us see the next example, 983 multiplied by 998. So here also we must check how much these two numbers are below 1000. So 1000 minus 983. What we have to do? All from 9 and last digit from 10 we have to subtract. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now 998. So 1000 minus 998 is 2. So our first step, what we have to do is cross subtraction. 983 minus 2, 981, or 998 minus 17, then also 981. That is the first part of the answer. Now vertically multiply 17 twos are. 17 twos are how much it is? 34. Minus into minus plus. So write an answer 0, 3, 4. So this is the answer for multiplication 983 into 998. See now 4-digit number multiplication. Here these numbers are below 10,000. So our base is 10,000 here. So see the first example 9,999 into 9,998. In this example write down first values. Now check how much these numbers are below 10,000. 10,000 minus 9,999 is 1. Next 10,000 minus 9,998 is 2. Our first step is cross subtraction. 9,999 minus 2, that is 9,997, or 9,998 minus 1, then also answer is 9,997. That is the first part of the answer. Now vertically multiply 1 into 2. Minus 1 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus. 1 2s are 2. Since here 4-digit number, here 4 values are allowed. So those zeros we will add here. 1 2s are 2. So this is the answer for the given multiplication. See the next example. 8,987 multiplied by 9,996. 10,000 minus 8,987. How we will do is here, all from 9 and the last digit from 10 we have to subtract. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, again 1. 10 minus 7 is 3. So 10,000 minus this value is 1,013. Next 9,996 subtracted from 10,000, we get the value 4. Our first step is cross subtraction. 8,987 minus 4, that is 8,983. 9,996, you subtract 1,013 also, we get same answer 8,983. This is first part of the answer. Second step, vertically multiply these two values, minus 1,013 minus 4. So minus into minus plus. Now multiply with 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 zeros are 0. Again 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. 2 carry 1. So the final answer we shall write now 8983 40 4 plus 1 5 2. So this is the answer for this multiplication. See now 5-digit number multiplication. Here these numbers are below 1 lakh. So our base number is 1 lakh here. So let us see the multiplication now. So first number is 99,987 and the next number is 99,988. How to multiply this means, first we have to write how much it is below 1 lakh. So 1 lakh minus 99,987. For that what we have to do? All from 9 and the last digit from 10 we have to subtract. So 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. 10 minus 7 is 3. That means 1 lakh minus 99,987 value is 13 here. Next one, 1 lakh minus 99,988, that is 12. So our first step is cross subtraction. 99,987 minus 12 is 99,975. Or subtract in this way also, 99,988 minus 13. Then also we get the answer 99,975. That is first part of the answer. Second, what we have to do? Multiply these both. 13 12s are minus into minus plus. Now let us find out 13 12s are how much. So here excess value is 3 and here excess value is 2. Cross addition. 12 plus 3, 15 or 13 plus 2 is also 15. Now multiply these two. 3 2s are 6. So 13 12s are answer 156. Here 5-digit number, 5-digit value is allowed. So place 2 zeros before and write on this answer. So this is the final answer for our given multiplication. Let us 5-digit number multiplication. 87,654 multiplied by 99,994. First let us write the number 87,654. Next 99,994. First we have to check these two numbers how much they are below 1 lakh. So for that what we have to do is subtract all digits from 9 and last digit from 10. So 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 5, 4, 10 minus 4 is 6. Now subtract this value from 1 lakh. That means we get value 6. First step what we have to do, cross subtraction. 87,654 minus 6 means we get the answer 87,648. If we subtract in this way also 19,994 minus 12,346, if we get same result 87,648. This is the first part of the answer. Next step what we have to do is vertically multiply these two values. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, so 2 carry 1, 6 threes are 18, 8 carry 1, 6 fours are 24, 4 carry 2, 6 six are 36, 6 carry 3. Now we have to add all these carries for the above numbers. So let us see the final result. 8 7 6 4 8. 6 plus 1 7, 2 plus 1 3, 8 plus 2 means 10. So what we will do, 0, you will get a carry 1. So 3 plus 1 we get the answer 4 here. Now add these two, 4 plus 3 7 and this value 6. This is the final result. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.